go. Here we go. Here we have our project consisting of demo, 2 layers, and going back on with hickory GAF Timberline HDz shingles. 2 hours in, we're about halfway done, maybe halfway done. It's 11. Had to be 11. We got a surprise. We thought it was 2 layers, but no. 3rd layer of rock. Surprise. Christmas came early. Let's see. What else do we have here? Chimney or mastic. Oh yeah. We got the ese, un dormer, póngale el pinche gorro. We got the mamalona cut. That Jeremy, that's the new recruit. The new recruit. Man. How's your experience so far of this week?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yep. Tiring but good.
Tiring but good. That's good. Okay. Let's see.